Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to buy BNB, aka the Binance Coin, on Binance US. The first thing you're going to want to do is link a bank account in addition to actually depositing money. So I'm going to show you how to do that right now. So the first thing I'm going to want to do is deposit money into my account, but you can't do that until you add some sort of payment method. So at the very bottom right, you see that person icon. So we're going to click on that. Okay, here on the screen, you'll see several tabs here. One of the options is linked accounts. So as you can see, I already have a linked account option. I'm going to blur that out just for privacy reasons, but you would hit that plus icon where it says add payment method. So I'm going to click on that. I've clicked on add payment method. So you have several options to adding a way to deposit money onto Binance. You could do ACH, wires, or add a debit card. So after you've done that, go back to the screen that I had before. Now we're under the very center icon where you see that credit card icon. So now, as you can see, my portfolio balance is 0. So I'm going to click on US dollars. And now I'm going to deposit US dollars. So click on that. Okay, now it gives you an option of like how much you want to deposit from your payment method. So the minimum amount you have to deposit onto Binance is $10. So let's type in $10 and preview deposit. So here you see that I am depositing $10 onto my Binance account. It gives you a deposit from, the amount, any fees that you could accrue, and how much I'll receive. So I'll receive the full $10 with this ACH deposit. So I'm going to click on deposit. To prevent risk of chargebacks, note that your ACH deposit can't be withdrawn for 10 days in USD or crypto. Go to wallet. Oh, and look at that. Actually, my US dollars is actually in my portfolio value. Okay, so after you funded your account, there's actually 2 ways that you could buy BNB on Binance. So let me show you guys the easy way. So at the very top right, when you're under the credit card icon, you see that yellow button with the arrows pointing in opposite directions. Click on that and click on buy crypto. So now you have to select the cryptocurrency that you want to buy. So scroll on down until you see BNB. So I'm going to click on BNB, and now I type in the amount of dollars that I want to buy worth of BNB. So let's say I want to buy $20 worth of BNB. That would give me 0.04 BNB. Now all I had to do is click on preview purchase, and you can see that I'm preparing to buy $20 worth of BNB. However, there is a 10-cent fee here. Let me show you guys the more complicated way now. I'm going to X out of this. Okay, so on the second to left tab at the very bottom, it's going to be that bar graph icon. Okay, and we're going to buy BNB using US dollars. Make sure you're under the USD tab at the very top. Click on that magnifying glass and type in BNB. So you can see that BNB is currently down 2%, so decent time to buy at the moment for me. However, I'm not a financial advisor, just some guy investing on the internet. So I'm going to search. So right here you see BNB/US dollars. I'm going to click on that because I'm planning on buying BNB with US dollars. Okay, at the very bottom you see buy or sell. So I'm going to click on buy. Now you have to determine if you want to buy via market order or buy via limit order. So limit order, just to summarize, you set the amount of BNB you would like to buy in addition to the price point you want to buy. Let's say I want to buy BNB for exactly $492. I'd set the limit price to $492.00. And let's say I'm going to buy 0.03. So let's say I want to buy 0.03 worth of BNB at the price point of $492. So let's actually place that order because it looks like it might actually drop down to $492. Wow. Okay, it's dropping down relatively quick. Okay, so we're actually going to go with $491, and now we're going to be buying 0.03 worth of BNB for $14.73. Let's click on place buy order, and now all we had to do is wait for it to hit 491, which it is currently hitting 491. So let's see if our buy order for BNB went through. However, if you don't care what average price you're getting BNB at, you could just go under the market tab, click on how much you're planning on buying. Like earlier, I was buying 0.02 worth of BNB, and that came out to around like $14, almost $15. So I can just type that amount here and click on place buy order, and it'll buy BNB at the current market price. So this is if you're just trying to get BNB really quick and don't really care what price you're getting it at. But going back, all right, we see our open orders right here. We could modify our open orders if we would like to, or we could just sit and wait to see when this order goes through. So I'll show you what the order looks like once it actually goes through. We just had to see BNB hit under 191, which it looks like it could here in just a second. Come on, there we go. Okay, hit 189. So that means that the order should have gone through. So let's go back just to check. Okay, so you see how the open order disappeared there? That means the order was fulfilled. So I'm gonna click on that credit card button and click on BNB, and the purchase should be here, but I'm not sure why. So I actually can't see like where the history is, but I do know that I actually did purchase a little bit of BNB because my amount of BNB is higher than it was before. But that in a nutshell is how you buy BNB on Binance US. If this video helped you out, be sure to hit that like button. And when signing up for a Binance account, feel free to use my referral link in the comment section below or my referral code. Definitely helps support the channel. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys later.